Okay, rear shocks, 2014 RX 350. Okay, we have 17 socket, 21 socket, and a 17 wrench, and a Garnero wrench. Okay, get the wheel off, and we got a 17 on the top of the shock, and another one right down there on the bottom. That's the one you're going to need a wrench on the outside for. So let's get this one off with the gun. Okay, this one, put a wrench on the back, and then the gun, and install it with the bigger piece on top.